Starts off with a conductor, goes by the name of Ian Greenway. And Ian, here's the deal, my man. In this fictional world that a couple of us are putting together, we're working on a tag team, a wrestling tag team, and we have this idea that one of them, we want to be a train conductor. And it just so happens that with you popping up in that hat, man, you are invited to be a part of the People's Convoy. That's right.
And guess what the other part of the tag team is? The weatherman.
That's right. The conductor and the weatherman. Don't worry, Ian, like I've got us a show open and the whole nine. Like we're gonna put this thing together. But and the reason I'm able to do that is because you got birthday today. That's how I'm able to get that, to extend that invitation. So kiddo, I want you to have a marvelous day, and I do love that hat in Bronson.
And your motto's gonna be, storms are blowing in, but I think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I know I can. Doot, doot. All right, Ian, happy birthday. And Kenley Redburn is celebrating birthday number 12 this year.
Speaking of great hats, I love that.
Kenley is in Ellsmore, Kansas.
That's beautiful. Aiden Sisney, happy 15th birthday. Now, Aiden, you want to talk about a lot of love in the Sisney family. This comes with love from Mom, Dad, Evan, Marley, and Quinn. You've got Grandma and Grandpa Hanson, and of course, Grandma and Grandpa Prettyman. And all wishing Aiden a very happy birthday. And I want you to have a marvelous day in Girard.
Breidenheimer turning 12 years old this year. Got the bikes there, ready to go riding up in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Bryden.
All right, we've got Seth Russell with a milestone. Okay, I'm being told in my ear, it's not actually a current picture. Huh. I think this comes from the school book. Look at it. Now that Seth has turned the big 3-0, we turn back the clock. And Seth, a happy birthday wish coming from both Mom and Dad as he's in Erie.
All right, we got some belated birthday wishes going out to Jeff Clark first, who's 53 in Columbus. Hope it was a great one for you. Good weekend, Jeff.
Also over the weekend, and we'll continue to celebrate, Connie Jackman celebrating her 69th birthday. What a resplendent cake right there. That is too cool. Connie, a very happy birthday to you and Moran.
All right, in Weir, Cleo Jones turning 87 years old. That would be Cleo on the left, I'm told. Cleo is in Weir.
Cool picture, Mr. Jones. Steve and Karen Martin, and we want to wish them congratulations as they celebrate 12 years of marriage, photobombed by Santa. And a very, very happy anniversary to you both, Steve and Karen. They are in Columbus.
All right, in Neosho, Vernie Broyles celebrating birthday number 82. And in St. Paul, birthday wishes coming from the entire family going out to Jade Holding, who's now 14.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to